And it was just a mixture of different muscles, you know, going from like chest development, shoulder development, not being able to do pull-ups. I struggled to do pull-ups for years on end. And then I came across Greg, the founder of MAT, online, and just his whole story. I knew there was something different and something special about it. My sleep quality has got better. My energy levels have gone through the roof now because I think that my body's not trying to compensate as much. You have to go and try it. You've got no harm in just going along and just having a consultation, just trying one session, and I guarantee you, you'll take something away from that session that will feel completely new to you, and that will get you hooked. That's what happened to me. I'm just so grateful that I've found the thing. It's the thing that's actually, it's taken me years to find, and I didn't even know it existed, but I found it, and it's MAT.